Next, let's look at non-percentage values. DataSquirrel detects percentage columns and removes any non-percentage values, just like you can see here. Example, imagine you have a column where most values are percentages, but some are entered as text or even contains chunk values. When you clean the data set, DataSquirrel removes the percentage symbol, adds it to the column header, and cleans out any non-percentage or junk data. Why this is important is because it allows you to easily compare values, identify patterns, and calculate totals and averages when you are analyzing your data and creating charts. Without cleaning, your BI tool wouldn't be able to analyze or visualize the data properly, making it impossible to get accurate insights. Here, like you can see, all of these values are considered as empty. This is the only recommendation made by DataSquirrel for this cleaning data type.